Manager e boma ma Kisumu Abala Wanga nochopo e nyim duol mochung' ne kedo kod mibadhi e pacho ka EACC odiochieng' ma kawuono mar chiwo ler e weche mag mibadhi mitude godo. Okil mare Steve Ogola yande nokwedo weche notamore winjo duond doho. Kata kamano EACC nowacho ni nyaka oduok penjo. Nyaka sani igeno ni obiro chopo e nyim doho tarik 2 dwe mar 12 higani mar kwedo kata yie ketho manodonjne godo Director Maropis Jamin Buche.
He brought Mr. Abala Wanga to record his statement under inquiry pursuant to the Honorable Court's order, that is Honorable Baraza, Chief Magistrate, Milimani Anti-Corruption Court, who directed that Mr. Abala be given an opportunity to record his statement under inquiry, and upon recording statement, if need be, he may then be processed, right? The investigating officers declined to record the statement in violation of that court order. We have then sought to serve them with that court order despite the fact that the order was given in the presence of the investigating officer and the prosecution counsel. If they insist that they are not going to record the statement as directed by the court order, it's okay. We will allow them to do what they want, which is to process Mr. Abala. They are not interested in reopening investigations. They are only keen on processing him, which means taking fingerprints for purpose